Hello everyone! Today we're cooking up a classic Thai dish that's both flavorful and quick to make. Pad krapao, also known as Thai basil stir-fry. This stir-fry packs a punch with its blend of garlic, chilies and aromatic Thai basil. Let's get started! For this recipe you'll need 8 ounces ground pork or chicken, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 6 Thai bird's eye chilies sliced, 1 large red chili sliced, 1 cup Thai holy basil leaves, 2 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon vegetable oil, and steamed jasmine rice for serving. First, let's prep the ingredients. Mince the garlic and slice up the Thai chilies and large red chili. Keep the seeds in for more heat. In a small bowl, make the sauce by combining the fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar. Stir to dissolve the sugar. Pick the leaves off the holy basil stems, giving them a rough chop if desired. Heat a wok or large skillet over high heat and add the vegetable oil. Once shimmering hot, add the minced garlic and sliced chilies. Stir fry for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the ground pork or chicken and stir fry, breaking it up with your spatula until nearly cooked through, about 2 minutes. Pour in the sauce mixture and toss to coat the meat. Let it bubble and reduce for a minute. Finally, add the holy basil leaves and quickly toss everything together for 30 seconds until the basil is wilted but still bright green. Remove the pad krapao from heat. Scoop it over a bed of steamed jasmine rice. For an extra treat, you can top it with a crispy fried egg. Just fry an egg in hot oil until the whites are crispy but the yolk is still runny. Give it a final sprinkle of crispy fried garlic or shallots if you have them on hand. And there you have it. A classic Thai basil stir-fry bursting with flavor and aroma. The balance of spicy, salty, sweet and herbal notes is simply irresistible. Enjoy!